Hey everyone! From sudden crashes and pilot mistakes to sheer recklessness, it's all been caught on camera. Today we're diving into some of the craziest helicopter fails and how pilots pulled through. Let's jump in! That damaged helicopter eventually had to be retrieved by another one and flown in for repairs. Unfortunately, strong winds picked up during the flight, making the aircraft unstable and difficult to handle. According to pilots, it's nearly impossible to land without the blades hitting the ground and still walk away unscathed. In India, one pilot proved his skill under pressure. When his helicopter began spinning out of control due to engine failure, he acted instantly, safely bringing it down on a patch of grass.
Офигеть, блин, это у нас снимает сейчас? Да. Падает, что ли? Это военная. Да. Обалдеть.
In a separate incident, the crew disconnected a hoisting belt but failed to notify the pilot. The result was grim. Just minutes later, the suspended load plummeted from a considerable height. For even a jammed tail rotor couldn't stop one determined pilot from landing safely. Regaining control wasn't easy, but he clearly knew what he was doing. In the Swiss Alps, with the mountain road closed, one resourceful farmer turned to the skies, airlifting his cows to pasture by helicopter. When forced to make an emergency landing, traffic regulations take a backseat to survival.
Land on us.
Alright. Wow. Look at that.
They got a police chase up here, I bet.
Wow.
The police?
I don't know.
There's no special effect here. The camera's frame rate simply synced with the rotor speed, creating the illusion that the blades weren't moving at all.
Какая тут рыбалка?
While
Yes, sir. Good. Jump out? Or not yet?
Hold. Stay where you are.
Yes, sir. Hold.
Get the switch moving.
You
good?
I'm good. Okay. You good?
Yes, sir. I'm good.
We're right before the scale house. Maybe that'll be the right
a camera operator aimed to capture the moment glass sheets were being unloaded. But wild animals have no idea who's protecting their forest homes from raging fires. It's the brave pilots in firefighting helicopters. All it took was a helicopter and a massive saw, and suddenly cutting down trees became faster and far more efficient. Navigating a helicopter through mountain terrain takes exceptional skill, something only a handful of pilots truly possess. There's no need to look up the specs. It's clear this is one seriously powerful flying machine. Before taking off, the pilot put the helicopter through an overload test just to be sure. While many people struggle to park a car in tight spots, this pilot smoothly parked a helicopter with remarkable accuracy.
Could you now show the film, please?
the test went smoothly, and with everything in check, the flight was ready to begin. Landing a helicopter with elegance isn't something just anyone can do. This pilot did it with the finesse of someone driving a luxury sports car. When a forest fire breaks out, homeowners with backyard pools often wonder whose property the helicopter will hover over. After all, that pool water might be used to help fight the flames. Ambulance drivers are just as vital as doctors or pilots, perhaps even more so, as their expertise often determines whether the medical team can even reach the patient. Full down auto rotation in the Robinson R-22 helicopter is an emergency landing technique practiced to simulate engine failure. A UN helicopter carrying Egyptian and Pakistani peacekeeping forces suffered an engine failure and crashed during a mission.